Now, step 2 of the process is to sign up for the Builderall Funnel Builder and Autoresponder. If you've looked into affiliate marketing, you might know that you need two things. One, a place for people to be able to see the products that you're promoting, and two, a way to communicate with them after they leave your page. That's where the funnel and autoresponder come in. The reason I chose Builderall is because it has both the autoresponder and funnel builder in one convenient package at a great price. If you were looking to get the same feature somewhere else, you'd have to get a separate funnel builder like ClickFunnels and a separate autoresponder like GetResponse. As you can see, if you go with ClickFunnels as your funnel builder, you'd be paying $97 a month, and GetResponse would be $19 a month for your autoresponder. Great thing about Builderall is it has both of them combined for only $14.90 a month. That's a tremendous value. Plus, they have a fantastic affiliate program that you can promote alongside the 15-day builder challenge. Now, the key to this is if you want to copy my high-ticket affiliate system, you have to sign up for the Builderall platform. That's because I built this funnel in the Builderall, and in order for you to copy that for yourself, you have to sign up for it. So click the link below, get signed up, and then continue on to step 3.